Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys would have watched my last video all the way through, which I know most of you don't, you guys would have heard me mention that I'm changing the layup on my desk. Or if you're on my Instagram, I also made a video, me taking apart my old setup. And yeah, we're gonna show you, I'm halfway through the update, and I'm gonna show you the biggest portion today, which is this new diorama I have up on my table, which I absolutely love. And we'll get it out of the way real quick. I got this on AliExpress. I definitely don't recommend buying diecast on there. I had a couple bad experiences already, just in the last week, to be honest with you, but that's for another video. But you know, for stuff like this, where you can't really buy it anywhere else, it's great. You know, my friend, Boy Racer Ben, he buys a lot of, die-cast pieces that generally most regular stores wouldn't carry, and you know, that's all right. But you know, if you're picking up stuff that maybe you can get somewhere else, maybe you can wait a little bit and then you'll see it somewhere else, I definitely recommend that, just because just this last week I've had a couple pieces come in completely damaged. But again, that's for another video. Let's check out this new diorama, part of my update of this layout of mine, where I do most of my unboxings and a lot of my videos. So let's check this out. Again, I got this on AliExpress. You guys know, I just told you, but it's a 2-level diorama, garage diorama, or warehouse diorama. I made it into a garage, more like a shop, you know. And it's actually 2 pieces. You can see the line down the middle here. So there's a left side and a right side. I believe they sell them separate too, where you can have just the right side or just the left side. When you buy just one side, there's actually a piece of, what do you call it? This slides out right here. So there's a piece of plexiglass that protects the whole thing. You can see here, I'll just open it real quick. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but yeah, that you can see it moving. There'll be one going down the middle too as well. Obviously, because I have the 2 attached, I didn't install that part. And they look good together like this. And it's lit by LEDs on the top and the bottom row, which illuminates it very well, and it looks very, very nice. All right, so I'll take you through some of the pieces I have up here. We'll zoom in a little bit. So I got a couple pop race with what do you call it? A rim display there. A couple pop race, couple figures. Figures and die-cast accessories are super expensive, guys. I think it's the detail or the rarity of it that makes it really expensive for these little things, but it's what brings these dioramas to life. So we'll be checking out some of those. I did order some more, so I'll update you guys along the way. But I got a couple pop race up here, the RX-7s. You guys know those are some of my favorites. And then we got, what brand is that? Oh wow, Micro Turbo 180 SX back there. That one is gorgeous. We got some models beside it. We got an NO Spoon Integra. Guy cleaning it. Then this is a Pop Race R33 400R, I believe. Yeah, 400R. You can see it along the back there, maybe. Then we got a Hot Wheels. This is probably one of the only Hot Wheels. No, I got 2 actually. I lied. 2 RLC right there. 2 very well done RLCs. Generally speaking, I never say that just because I had so many issues with them as well. So we got one of those low riders. I just have it flat on the ground right now. Those things you can do like a 3-wheeling and stuff like that too as well, but just got it flat on the ground. Then we got a Pugani. The back comes off that one, but it's just chilling right now. Then we got an NO with a guy taking a picture. That's the all carbon F40 wide body Liberty Walk. Then we got an SVJ Lamborghini Aventador. A guy checking it out. Then we got another wheel wall right there. Rims. The old man's checking it out, thinking about getting it for one of his cars, I guess. And these people are checking out the Sim Racer right there and Tekken video game. We got also a Coke machine. All this kind of stuff cost more than I thought. Anyways, all right. So that's the top floor right there. It's more like a showroom, you know, waiting area. I am going to get a couch set up right here. That's on the way. That's why I left that area empty. So a little couch area for everybody to chill when they're here at the shop. All right, I got this truck in front of the diorama, but we'll just ignore that for now. We'll start over in this corner here. We just got a motorcycle in the corner. Probably one of the guys that work at the shop. Got a couple of blue race gas there, air pump, a couple of bumpers and side skirts and stuff like that over in the corner. We obviously got a dyno here. This guy's dynoing his S13. Bumpers off so he can get more air. And we got a couple cars in the corner just chilling. We got a McLaren F1 and then a Pagani. Getting some work done. We got a Toyota Echo, or whatever else that is called in other countries, but in Canada here it's called an Echo. It's getting something done as well. You can see it's on the hoist. This thing might be getting a motor swap. It has a B series. It might be getting a K with some ITBs coming out of the front there. And we got a engine hoist there. And then the guy's checking the tires. Then we got this snap-on tool set with some tools in the thing here, and over here as well. We got some pistons and rods too as well, taking a part out of the motor. Then we got this young lady with her Civic, and we got a guy in the back with pushing the Civic as well. We got a mechanic talking to an old man in the back there with a UPS delivery person dropping off some packages. We got a couple engines on some the ground there with a set of rims in the shape of hearts in the pink there. And we got a stand back there with just some stuff. A couple more barrels back there. One of those Asian tow trucks. And look at this monster custom dually F250. It's Dragon Ball Z too. You can see the Dragon Ball Z symbol on the top of the bed there. The bed, what do you call that? Bed cover. And then we got, what do we got here? We got a Pop Race Hako with its motor opened up. And we got an NO. I believe this is an S13 with a modified front end. This mechanic's checking it out. It's on some jack stands. Maybe getting his wheel swapped out. Who knows? And then we got a 4Runner. I think this is from GCD. Yeah. See the bottom there. It has the TRD. What do you call those things? Along the bottom, I don't know. I forget now. And then you got your Pop Race R32. This guy's checking it out, making sure it's going to be good for summertime. It's coming up soon, guys. Just snowed the other day, though, somehow. And you got a tow truck. This is actually a super nice tow truck. I think it's by Greenlight, but it looks so good, I'm not sure. Not to say Greenlight doesn't make good stuff, but, you know. Then we got this Japanese tow truck on here with a 350Z convertible. Then we got another custom lifted truck in the back there with some of the winter tires because it's getting ready. And we got a couple ladies. They own the monster truck. Yeah, so I am gonna get a bunch more little accessories for this shop, just to, you know, make it more lively. I got a bunch of boxes, like, you know, what do you call it, like boxes that you would get like parts in coming in. And then I got, I just got a bunch of stuff coming in, so you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned. Fill this thing up. And you guys will have to stay tuned for the rest of this this setup being done. I am gonna put my fireplace back up there, my monitor. I'm just getting a custom monitor stand to go right around this thing. And that fireplace will be back, so Don't think I gave up on that. I love having that in the background. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for checking this out with me. If you're already following me, thank you very much, guys. And if you're not, then subscribe, comment, like. I appreciate all that. It really helps me out. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.